Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 61, Introduction to Trigonometry. Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. True or false? This is the second one. We have done the first one in our video number 60. If cosec theta minus sin theta equals to a cube and sec theta minus cos theta equals to b cube, then a square b square into a square plus b square equals to 2. Okay, we have to check this basically. So let's start. Cosec theta minus sin theta equals to a cube. What is cosec theta? 1 upon sin theta, right? So 1 upon sin theta minus sin theta equals to a cube. Solve this. 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta equals to a cube, right? Cross this. So we get 1 minus sin square is cos square. So cos square theta upon sin theta equals to a cube. Therefore a equals to, why are we finding a? Because we want a square over here. So a equals to cos square theta upon sin theta, the whole raised to 1 by 3, right? Therefore a square equals to cos square theta upon sin theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3, right? Similarly find b square. Sec theta minus this, sec theta minus cos theta equals to b cube. So we'll find this 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta equals to b cube. Solve it similarly. You will get b square equals to sin square theta upon cos theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3. Similar to that of the a square. So target of focus now. What is the focus? A square b square into a square plus b square. Put the values. Cos square theta upon sin theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3 into sin square theta upon cos theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3 into, now square bracket, this a square cos square theta upon sin theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3 plus sin square theta upon cos theta, the whole raised to 2 by 3, bracket close, right? Okay, now before the bracket, this 2 by 3 is common to both. So what happens? Cos square theta upon sin theta into sin square theta upon cos theta. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10 plus 2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.